The Amazfit Bip 6 and the Garmin Forerunner 55 are two of the most popular entry-level fitness watches on the market, but they represent two fundamentally different philosophies. The Amazfit Bip 6 is designed to be an all-in-one lifestyle device, packing a large, vibrant AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, and an exhaustive list of workout modes into a package that's hard to beat on paper. The Garmin Forerunner 55, meanwhile, is a specialized training tool, trading the flashy features for a proven intelligence platform that provides advanced race predictions and personalized workout suggestions based on your actual training history. Choosing between them isn't about which watch has the longer feature list. It's about what you're trying to achieve with your workouts. One is built to be a versatile daily companion that keeps you connected, while the other is built to act as a dedicated coach on your wrist. To help you decide which one earns its place on your arm, we're going to look at how these two approaches translate into actual daily use. The Garmin Forerunner 55 was built for one primary purpose: to make you a better runner. PacePro technology maps target pace to the GPS route you are running, adjusting the pace goal for hills, distance, and effort in real time so that your finishing time reflects a strategically managed run rather than an inconsistent one. Race time predictions use your training history and fitness metrics to estimate how fast you could finish a 5K, 10K, half marathon, or marathon today based on how you have been training. Suggested daily workouts adapt automatically to your fitness level and recovery status, so the watch functions as a personalized running coach rather than a data logger. The Amazfit Bip 6 tracks running alongside 140+ other activities and offers personalized coaching powered by its AI system. For a casual runner or someone beginning to build a fitness routine, the Bip SIXS running data pace, distance, heart rate, route is comprehensive and immediately useful. Where it does not match the Garmin is in the depth of runner-specific coaching. The Bip 6 tracks the run, the Garmin coaches it. The edge in running intelligence goes to the Garmin Forerunner 55 for PacePro and race prediction. The Amazfit Bip 6 has a 1.97-inch AMOLED display, vivid, sharp, high contrast, and readable in bright sunlight. At this size, maps are legible, watch faces are visually detailed, and health data is displayed with the clarity that a premium display provides. Customers rate ease of use at 215 positive out of 249 mentions, with several specifically noting intuitive menus and clear readability. The rectangular design is more smartwatch adjacent in form factor. The Garmin Forerunner 55 has a 1.04-inch display, smaller and less vivid, appropriate for a running watch designed to be glanced at mid-stride. The display works for what a running watch needs. Current pace, heart rate, distance, and time are visible during a run. For reviewing maps, reading notifications, or using the watch as a daily companion in non-running contexts, the smaller display is a real limitation compared to the Bip SIXS screen. The edge in display goes to the Amazfit Bip 6 on display quality and size. The Amazfit Bip 6 tracks 140+ activities including Hyrox race and strength training, one of the most comprehensive workout mode libraries available on a watch at any price point. Built-in GPS with support for 5 satellite systems enables accurate positioning across all terrain types. Downloadable maps with turn-by-turn navigation make it functional for hiking and exploration beyond athletic tracks. Bluetooth calling allows picking up calls directly from the wrist, and AI assistance handles notifications, quick responses, and contextual suggestions. The 24/7 health monitoring covers heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and stress with insights the Garmin Forerunner 55 does not match in breadth. The Garmin Forerunner 55 tracks running, cycling, track running, virtual run, pool swimming, Pilates, HIIT, and breathwork. It monitors intensity minutes, fitness age, all-day respiration, and sleep. The Garmin Connect and Connect IQ platform adds custom watch faces, widgets, and third-party apps. The depth of the running platform is exceptional. The breadth of activity coverage and smart features is narrower than the Bip 6 by design. The edge in activity breadth and smart features goes to the Amazfit Bip 6. The Garmin Forerunner 55 uses GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, 3 satellite systems that together provide tracking accuracy specifically refined for athletic performance. Customers rate accuracy at 77 positive out of 95 mentions, with runners specifically noting the GPS performance for route tracking during outdoor runs. Garmin's GPS hardware has been refined for athletic use across decades of product development. The Forerunner 55 inherits that positioning quality. The Amazfit Bip 6 supports 5 satellite systems for broad coverage and also includes downloadable maps with navigation. Tracking accuracy is rated positively by 221 out of 246 customers. For daily fitness tracking and general outdoor use, the Bip SIXS GPS is solid and reliable. For competitive runners who need split-accurate pace data over a long run, the Garmin's hardware and software integration for athletic GPS specifically is the more trusted platform. The edge in GPS and tracking accuracy goes to the Garmin Forerunner 55 for competitive athletic GPS accuracy and even for general outdoor use. The Amazfit Bip 6 delivers up to 14 days of battery life with fast charging. Customers praise the long life and quick recharge time extensively, with 414 positive battery mentions out of 509. For a watch worn daily across casual and active use, 14 days means charging approximately twice per month. The Garmin Forerunner 55 delivers up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and up to 20 hours in GPS mode. Comparable smartwatch battery life with a more limited GPS ceiling. Customers with 155 positive battery mentions out of 186 describe approximately 1 week of real-world use, which reflects the impact of GPS and health monitoring on the rated ceiling. For runners who log multiple long GPS sessions per week, The Garmin's battery may require weekly charging, while the Bip 6 extends further. The edge in battery life goes to the Amazfit Bip 6 for its on-real-world battery life and fast charging. Both watches carry reliability concerns in customer feedback. The Amazfit Bip SIXS functionality category shows 176 negative out of 533 mentions, reports of malfunctions and units stopping working. The Garmin Forerunner 55's reliability category shows 61 negative out of 163 mentions, including reports of devices failing after 30 days. Neither watch has a clean reliability track record, and both are worth purchasing with a confirmed return policy. One unexpected strength of the Garmin Forerunner 55 is the Garmin Connect ecosystem, which includes Garmin Connect IQ, third-party app integration, training plan downloads, and community features. Extends the Forerunner 55 into a running platform rather than a standalone device. Runners who use Strava, Training Peaks, or other running community tools get native integration that the Amazfit ecosystem does not replicate at the same depth. For a buyer who wants their watch to connect to a broader running community and training infrastructure, the Garmin's ecosystem is the reason to choose it beyond the hardware features. One honest limitation of the Amazfit Bip 6 is its Bluetooth connectivity feedback shows 68 negative out of 229 mentions. A meaningful number of users experiencing pairing or sync issues, particularly noted as better on Android than on other platforms. For iPhone users or buyers who sync fitness data across multiple apps, these connectivity concerns may impact the daily experience of using the watch to its full capability. Verifying compatibility with the user's specific phone before purchasing is advisable. The Amazfit Bip 6 wins this comparison. A 1.97-inch AMOLED display that is among the best screens on any watch at its price. 14 days of battery with fast charging. 140-plus workout modes including high rocks and strength training. Built-in GPS with 5 satellite systems and downloadable maps. Bluetooth calling from the wrist. AI-powered health monitoring for heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and stress. Personalized coaching. And a quality rating where 640 out of 698 customers had a positive experience. At $75 to $80, the Amazfit Bip 6 delivers a feature set that regularly gets compared to watches costing 3 to 4 times as much, and mostly wins that comparison on paper. The Garmin Forerunner 55 at $157 to $169 wins for the runner who wants a serious training tool, not a feature-rich smartwatch. PacePro pace guidance, race time predictions, suggested daily workouts, Garmin Connect ecosystem integration, and GPS accuracy refined for competitive athletic performance make the Forerunner 55 the better coaching device for someone actively training for a race or working with a structured running plan. For that runner, the Garmin's higher price represents a legitimate investment in better performance outcomes. But for the buyer who wants a genuinely impressive fitness watch at an honest price, the Amazfit Bip 6 wins clearly. Both watches are linked in the description below. Check current pricing before you buy. One note worth repeating is that both watches have reliability concerns in the data. Buy with a return window in place regardless of which you choose. If you want comparisons that protect your next purchase before you make it, hit subscribe. The Amazfit Bip 6 wins this one, and thank you so much for watching.